Hey chickies, in today's video, I'm going to recreate this look that I did a couple of weeks ago in one of my videos, and a lot of you wanted me to recreate it, so I hope you stick around for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine. I curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Let me know if you guys can relate to this, because I am one who always spills something on my shirt, on my pants, and I'm wearing a light colored top, so I want to protect it. So I'm going to wear my beat bib. First, start off by priming the eyes. This is the Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Base Primer, but I did put too much. And it happens to be the time when I'm filming. Set it with some powder. This is from Too Faced Perfect Peach Powder. First, going to start with the Profusion Spectrum eyeshadow palette. Such a great, affordable, pigmented palette. Start this look with using Totally, and we're going to use this as our transition shade. We're just going to pop this right into that crease area, back and forth. Sometimes I just get it a little bit too much right here on the inner eyes. Like, I don't want it to go all the way in here, so I kind of just wipe it off a bit and just go back in again. Back and forth motions. We're gonna go in with this shade right over here. The fluffy brush, we're just gonna diffuse this edge. So we're gonna go right above it just to smooth away any harsh edges. Take the same brush that I used with this fuchsia color. I'm gonna wipe it off on the beat bib. I'm gonna go back into this burnt color, right into the socket of the eye. Build up the color intensity. Blending brush, a clean blending brush, which I'm just wiping on the beat bib, and we're just going to diffuse some of these colors just a little bit. Let me go back with a little bit more of that burnt color. Gonna cut the crease. I'm using, ooh, did you see that? The whole thing just twirled around. A flat synthetic brush, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I found when cutting the crease with concealer, you want to use something that's not super liquidy. Pop this right in the center of the eye. Look up. That's how far I'm gonna know where to cut the crease. Let me get a little bit more. Stopping about right a little bit past, and I've got some concealer at the top, but that's okay. Let's do the other side now. Rimmel palette. This is the Magnifies Jewel Rocks Edition eyeshadow palette. Take this really pretty golden shadow with a flat brush. I'm gonna pat this right onto this empty space in patting motions. We're gonna pick up this coppery shade, apply this right onto that outer portion of the eye, just so that it gradiates. Then you want to go in again with that gold, and then just fade that right in. So you really just want it to blend. Take a smaller flat brush with this magenta color, and then we're just going to pop this right onto the outer corner. I'm gonna mix these two together right into this outer corner area. Then go back in with this copper shimmer shadow and then fade that right in. I'm gonna go in with a Sigma, this is the E25 brush. I'm gonna take a bit of this magenta color called Totally. I think I forgot to mention the name. And I'm just going to drag this right above. Now, the reason why I like to do this is just because, in my opinion, I don't really have a defined crease area, so I just like to emphasize this. Plus, it also kind of helps with the edges, just so that they look a little bit more blended without really touching everything. Sometimes I just like to go all the way to the front without really messing up everything. I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and just clean up this edge. I'm gonna tightline the eyes with the Mosquito gel liner pencil. This is in black. Once it sets, it doesn't budge. It also doesn't irritate my eye. All right, and then I'm gonna line my eyes with the Rimmel gel liner. This is in black, it's waterproof. The lashes I'm using today, these are from Mosquito. These are my absolute favorite. They're in the style Lash Lorette. Just went over the band of the lashes with the Milani Stay Put Matte Eyeliner. I'm going to prime the face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pore Primer. For foundation today, we're gonna be using the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This is in the shade 220 Natural Beige, which is a spot-on match for me. So now for concealer, we're going to use the Makeup Obsession. This is their Mega Conceal Longwear Concealer with Caffeine. And this is in the shade 09. Blend this out with a damp sponge. Then we're going to set it with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder. To balance out the eyes, we're going to go back into the Spectrum palette and mix Totally with a bit of Ember. And we're just going to sweep this right along the lower lash line. Now we can apply mascara to the lower lashes. Contour the face with the Profusion Contour Palette, which is still by far one of my favorites. And then we're gonna bronze with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one is in deep bronze. Blush today is the I Heart Revolution Peach and Glow. I just wanna kind of make this part more sharp. I'm gonna go in with some powder. This is from number 7, the translucent powder. Highlight the inner eye corners. We're gonna go with the Pixie Delicate Dew. This is the Glowy Glossimer Duo. Almost like a golden shade. And we're gonna pop this right onto the inner eye corner. We're gonna mix both of these together for our highlight. Let's kick off this powder. Set my face with It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, because this is like my absolute favorite powder. For the lips, we're gonna do a combo today. So this is from Bite Beauty in the shade Glance. And then over top, we're gonna use the Makeup Revolution Lip Topper in Exquisite. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you already haven't to be a part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.